Now we're going to go through a popular song progression. We're going to play it slow first, then with a metronome, and then you'll get a chance to play along with the backing track that will be provided for you. We're going to use our G major chord and the A minor chord. And we're going to match our left-hand bass notes to those chords and use a G and an A at the pink area on your strip. Here it is slowly. A useful hint to help you with the coordination of this progression will be hands together, then the right hand alone. Hands together, right hand alone. Now let's go ahead and do it with the metronome.